marking the inauguration of to the global technical community and technical professionals everywhere. Its mission is to foster technological innovation and excellence for the benefit of the society. Through research, collaboration, standard development, and professional networking, IEEE empowers students and professionals to become leaders in engineering and technology.
Today, by launching the IEEE Computer Society KIIT Student Branch Chapter, we are aligning ourselves with a global network of innovators, researchers, and changemakers. And with that spirit of knowledge, unity, and innovation.
On behalf of IEEE KIIT Student Branch, we extend a warm and respectful welcome to our esteemed dignitaries, faculty members, invited guests, and dear students. May we request everyone to kindly rise for the national anthem.
To formally commence the ceremony, we invite Dr. Chinmoy Kumar Panigrahi Sir, Counselor IEEE KIIT Student Branch and Vice Chair IEEE Bhubaneswar Section, Director School of Electrical Engineering and co-branded programs KIIT deemed to be university to deliver welcome address.
Okay. Thank you, Akanka and her team. So it is a very auspicious occasion. Today we have an inaugural ceremony of the IEEE Computer Society KIIT Student Branch chapter, and very important event what Honorable Registrar and Honorable Vice Chancellor is saying, how the membership drive will be coming around 3,000 plus. So it is a good start. We have so on the dais, all the respected dignitaries, we have very important our Honorable Registrar Gyanaranjan Mahanti sir. So though lots of meeting, today is also Science Day. So he has different types of 3-4 meetings today, parallel meetings, and he has given importance for IEEE students community. So please have a big hand to Gyana sir. We have most veteran electronics scientist, research scientist, and great credential in his research credential, our Hari Krishna Ratha sir, who is the former director, ITR Chandipur, and also advisor IEEE Bhubaneswar section. Sir, we welcome you, sir. Please have a big hand for Ratha sir. And we have Rupesh Meher, who is the man for the cyber security entrepreneur. And he though his BD schedule, he has also given within a very short notice, he has also joined. Please have a big hand for our Rupesh Meher sir. We have our Tripathi sir, since inception of IEEE Bhubaneswar subsection, then section, everything, he is a great mentor. And always any problem you say, he is the problem solving and immediate solution. He is making, it may be technical, it may be non-technical. And sir is the former Director General of CPRI, Bangalore. And whatever things we are seeing, IEEE Bhubaneswar in terms of students driven, it is now 1,600. In IEEE Bhubaneswar section, our student strength is 1,600 plus, where it is all over Odisha state. And within Odisha state, our KIIT University has taken lead. So please have a big hand our Tripathi sir. He is a very good motivator. And most important, he is always thinking how the students will be more benefited by different types of programs. He believes in teamwork, and also he understood, yes, this undergraduate career, we have to give something which will be most memorable in their career. He is our Dr. Bishwajit Sahu sir, Director General, School of Computer Engineering. Please have a big hand. Make a big hand, Joseph. So, Honorable Saranjit sir, our Vice Chancellor in his absence here, Honorable Founder sir in his absence here. So, they are always thinking how the students' platform will create a different platform, how it will be. This is we have today 2 sessions. One is inaugural session, and of the dais, our Dean, School of Computer Engineering, Bhavani sir, he is also there. Thokudara Madam, Dean Research from Trident. Of the dais, Pratap sir, always, he is now doing lots of activities in IEEE, how to connect IEEE research community and also students and faculty fraternity. Electric vehicle hub, he is now making all over Odisha people, and I am also involved in him. He is also coming, he is a resource person for membership drive. Our Hruday sir, he whenever any problem in IEEE, sir is thinking how the more membership drive will be there. He is also present. Our Malik sir, Pradeep Malik, They are not the IEEE member now. They, for last decades, they know what is IEEE. And Niranjan sir, he is the chair, IEEE Consumer Technology Society. And on the dais, the chair of today's function, the chair of IEEE student computer science, our Omio sir, he is also there. So with this, so I request all the student volunteers, today we have 2 sessions. Please be patient because we will not make you boring. And online, 2 resource persons are present. Online, Rabindu, online is there, na? Jayanta sir has joined. So online, one managing director of Cloud, he is the very smart in AI. You will listen 5 minutes because today there is a AI symposium at New Delhi, and he has been highly appreciated by the team of the organizing team at New Delhi. He is also today's speaker, 5 minutes. So another Meher sir is also there, but due to some medical problem, he is not able to join. But in other time, we will make interaction. He's a very good researcher in terms of deep learning and energy in AI. So he's a very practical. He was the former professor of the NUS, National University Technology, Singapore. So last moment he denied because he has been injured. So in one time I requested the Bisway sir, he is there. We'll have a very good session with Meher sir because what he is doing very practical. So now we have 2 sessions. One is membership drive, and this session, as a council of IEEE KIIT student branch and vice chair of IEEE Bhubaneswar section, I will also have the opportunity to speak on career opportunities and pathways for IEEE students. Today's event is not just for an inauguration, it is the beginning of a transformative journey. The launch of IEEE Computer Society chapter at KIIT symbolizes our commitment to building a AI-enabled, innovation-driven, industry-connected academic ecosystem. Through IEEE, students gain access to global conferences, technical societies, research collaboration, professional certification, and a powerful worldwide network for engineers and scientists. And you will be happy to note that our Gyana sir, who is the registrar, Honorable Registrar of KIIT University, he has a mind. Why 3,000? Why not 5,000? Because we have a very good students number in KIIT University, and all the students are also very disciplined students. And I request Bisway sir and his team, because students means computer science students. So we will not make boring any students computer science. They will be more benefited, particularly computer science, engineering, electrical and electronics engineering students. They understand what is the updated technology happening day to day, because technology is always changing. So with this, I'm concluding my speech. I request all students, please take the takeaway, whatever things we are discussing, and it will be good for you. Thank you all.
Thank you, sir. It is always a pleasure to hear from you, to provide insight into the vision, mission, and roadmap of this newly formed chapter. We now request Dr. Amya Ranjan Panda, Advisor, IEEE Computer Science, KIIT Student Branch Chapter, to present a brief overview on IEEE Computer Science, KIIT Student Branch Chapter.
Honorable Registrar, KIIT deemed to be University, Professor Gyanaranjan Mohanty sir, esteemed Director General, School of Computer Engineering, KIIT deemed to be University, Professor Biswajit Sahu sir, respected Director, School of Electrical Engineering, KIIT deemed to be University, Professor Chinmoy Panigrahi sir, respected Advisor to IEEE Bhubaneswar section and Chair IEEE Computer Society Chapter Bhubaneswar section, Mr. Hare Krishna Ratha sir, respected Advisor IEEE Bhubaneswar section, Dr. Ashok Kumar Tripathi sir, and Dr. Rupesh Meher, Head of Cyber Security Cell, sitting on the dais, and all the dignitaries, delegates, and my dear students sitting off the dais. Good morning to one and all present here. I am thankful to IEEE Computer Society for giving me the opportunity to introduce our student branch chapter before you. I am delighted to express my heartfelt thanks to all my well-wishers and their blessings on me to conduct this event successfully. Now I am going to present about IEEE KIIT Computer Society Student Branch chapter. About IEEE Computer Society. IEEE Computer Society is for empowering computer science and engineering professionals to fuel continued advancement and engaging computer engineering scientists, academia, and industry professionals from all areas of computing. The IEEE Computer Society sets the standard for the education and engagement that fuels continued global technological advancement through conferences, publication, and programs, and by bringing together computer science and engineering leaders at every phase of their career for dialogue, debate, and collaboration. IEEE Computer Society empowers, shapes, and guides the future of not only its members, but the greater industry, enabling new opportunities to better serve our world. Okay, this is the membership status. Total number of IEEE membership is 163 till today, and CS membership is 73, and active computer society members is 35 student member. And now, within this, actually in August 31st, 2025, we got approval for IEEE Computer Society student branch chapter. And after that, we have conducted many events, 5 to 6 talks we have conducted, and 2 workshops we have conducted within this period. These are the various events we have organized. Okay, our future events are collaboration with all the IEEE Computer Society student branch chapter of Bhubaneswar section for mega events like hackathon, project expo, and conference. And also we are planning to do collaboration for research and industry, and a technical workshop and hands-on session we will conduct in this year. And this is the official letter of approval for our IEEE Computer Society student branch chapter approval. Okay, these are the executive committee members. I am working as the chapter advisor for this Computer Society chapter, and Lobdhak Nair is Saha Anis is the chair, Niharika Sen is vice chair, Aniruddha Patnaik is secretary, Astik Mishra treasurer, Subhasri Patnaik is working as webmaster, Arpan Ganguly webmaster, Priti Gupta webmaster, Pramod Kumar webmaster, and Akanksha Chakrabarti lead, and Ayushi Kumari lead. Okay, thank you all.
Thank you. So, namaskar, very good morning to all of you. Our honorable chief guest of this morning, Professor Ashok Kumar Tripathi, advisor IEEE, also former DG CPRI Bangalore. Esteemed Sri Harikrishna Ratha, advisor IEEE Bhubaneswar section, former director ITR Chandipur. Our Director General, School of Computer Engineering, Professor Biswajit Sahu, our Director, School of Electrical Engineering and Vice Chair, IEEE Bhubaneswar section, Professor Chinmay Panigrahi, esteemed Mr. Rupesh Meher, the cyber security entrepreneur, my colleague, Professor Ramya Panda, and of the dais, all the esteemed professors, faculty member, IEEE member and senior member also, and my dear students. It gives me immense pleasure and happiness for this, or to speak at this inaugural ceremony of our inauguration of this IEEE Computer Society KIIT student chapter. So let me first warmly welcome all the honorable member present on the dais as well as of the dais for gracing this occasion and being present here on this auspicious occasion of this inauguration of our KIIT student branch chapter for the IEEE Computer Science Society. And as I said, that is a auspicious occasion because last year the IEEE Bhubaneswar section also inaugurated here, and the IEEE Computer Science Society chapter also inaugurated here. So when we say the student chapter, and as Professor Amir Panda mentioned, that there are these number of students have registered for this IEEE Bhubaneswar section or IEEE KIIT Computer Society chapter. Now to bring here and to start this student chapter here, the aim that our student should involve in this IEEE Computer Society chapter. I'd also like to express our deepest gratitude to our honorable founder, Kate Kiskins, for creating this wonderful and world-class university, institution. His vision and dedication have made KIIT one of the leading university, leading institutions, not only in the country, but also in the world. And because of its strong support and for innovation and excellence and his inspiration every time to do such type of activities, which always gives or help our students to prosper. And KIT University is a true hub for technological innovation. It always encourages our students to think creatively, work hard and aim high. And this, I wish this formation of student chapter will further strengthen this culture. And as we all know, IEEE is the world's largest professional organization for technology, and the IEEE Computer Society focuses especially the computing part or IT part. So being part of this IEEE or members of this IEEE, I can say our students now are part of this global technology family or global technical family. They are the member of the global technical family because IEEE is the world's largest technical society. So, dear students, I strongly encourage all of you to become the member of IEEE Computer Society student chapter member. So, as you all are present, I can say you are representing all our students of computer science or electronics and electronics computer science or electrical computer science. So, you are representing. So, I hope or I am sure through you, our message should go to all the students to become part of this IEEE student chapter member. Because as we are inaugurating, we have here the KIIT student chapter we are inaugurating. So we are inaugurating for our students. So the students should be the member. So not only because we only 35 members, let's try this 35 should increase to 3,500. So this is my sincere request to all my student friends who are here, because you can encourage your friends. We may say, or Chinmay sir or Amir sir, we may ask all of you, but it is you who can encourage. So for that, you should know what are the benefits you people will get from the IEEE. Or IEEE, if you will be member of the IEEE student chapter, what are the benefit you will get. Okay. Today, I have seen already in the schedule, there are some speaker who will inform you that what benefit you people will get from the IEEE. Because if as a member, you can access the technical journals, you can access the e-resources. There are so many e-resources available in the IEEE sites. And you become part of the research or advanced research, as well as also as a member, you can attend different conferences, workshops, or hackathons which are organizing time to time. Okay, so as a member, you can take those benefits which is given by the IEEE. So it will help you for your career prospects, it will help you for your job, or it will help you for your higher studies. Not only that, IEEE also gives you leadership opportunities, because this type of events, it will be organized or it is organized by the students. So this type of leadership opportunities will be given by the IEEE. So this exposure and network will build your career and shape your future. And I can say that this chapter is your platform. This is students' platform. So use this platform and learn more, grow more, and achieve more. So with this, I wish a great success for this computer science KIIT student chapter. Thank you all.
So very happy to announce you that this year our Gyana sir has become the senior member of IEEE. I request Tripathi sir and Ratha sir give a bouquet just to Gyana sir. Please have a big hand to Gyana sir. Sir, thank you.
Thank you, sir, for your valuable guide. Thank you, sir, for your valuable guidance and support.
We now arrive at one of the most significant moments of today's ceremony, the official unveiling of the logo of IEEE Computer Society KIIT Student Branch Chapter.
May we request our dignitaries to kindly unveil the logo. Congratulations to the entire team. This is truly the beginning of an exciting journey.
At this moment, we would also like to request all the executive committee members of IEEE Computer Society KIIT Student Branch to kindly come onto the stage. We now proceed with the presentation of certificates to the chapter advisor and executive committee members. First, we request Dr. Amya Ranjan Panda sir, advisor IEEE Computer Society KIIT, to kindly come forward to receive the certificate of recognition. Yes. तुम भी चले जाओ हम बोल देंगे सर यस सर यस सर
हम प्रीति दी का नाम ले हम प्रीति का नाम लेकर चल रहे हैं
तुम भी चले जाओ हम ले ले रहे हैं
ठीक है
Amya Ranjan Panda, sir.
Next is Ludrak.
Chair Lubdrak Nairat Saha Arnish. Vice Chair Niharika Sen.
Niharika Sen. Who is Niharika Sen?
Secretary Arinud Patnaik.
Aniruddha Patnaik.
Treasurer Astik Mishra.
Astik Misra.
Anirudh Patnaik. Webmaster Shubhashri Patnaik.
Arpan Ganguly.
Webmaster Arpan Ganguly. Webmaster Pramod Kumar. Webmaster Preeti Gupta. Event Management Lead Akanksha Chakravarti. Research and Development Lead Aidri. Social Media Lead Ayushi. Congratulations to all the members of XCOM. Congratulations to all the members of Executive Committee. We wish you a successful and impactful tenure ahead.
We now invite Sri Hare Krishna Rakha sir, former director, ITR Chandipur and advisor, IEEE Bhubaneswar section, to address the audience.
So on the dais, in basically absence here, Dr. Gyanranjan Mohanty, Registrar, the absence here. And coming to my IEEE fraternity, our advisor, Dr. A.K. Tripathi sir, then Dr. Beswajit Sahu, who is the basically DG of computer this thing. Then Dr. Chinmay Panigrahi, Mr. Rupesh Meher, and Dr. Amir Ranjan Panda, and of the dais, my IEEE fraternity, Dr. Shakuntala, Dr. Pratap, then Dr. Pradeep Malik, and Dr. Ray, and of course, this computer director, Dr. Bhavani, and Dr. H.K. Tripathi, and all other basically faculty members, then dear students, student volunteers, and particularly computer society members. It's very good morning. I'm honored to be here on this auspicious day. Like Registrar mentioned, today is basically National Science Day. So thanks to KIIT management to give this opportunity to come over this particular day. While standing here, I felt like two kinds of emotions actually. First is very fortunate to be here, as I have told, National Science Day. So at the outset, actually, my obeisance to Dr. C.V. Raman. And it is coinciding. I will remember throughout my life that one student branch chapter actually has come up. It got inaugurated on this particular day. That is National Science Day. So that is a wonderful feeling. And first and foremost, as I have told, it is obeisance to Dr. C.V. Raman, who discovered this Raman effect on this particular date, that is 28th February, and in 1928, if you go back actually in the history. That is the first thing actually triggered while sitting here when you talk about the Science Day. And coming to the second thing, because I am sharing the Computer Society, this professional chapter of our Bhubaneswar, CS chapter. So on the right, if you see something is put there, I don't know whether it caught your attention. There is a figure, okay, where it shows 8080. So that is another thing actually, importance in 2026 that CS Computer Society, it is celebrating all over the globe 80th anniversary of the society formation. And if you talk of 8080, like 80 years of this journey in the history of basically computer in the world. So those days, this IEEE was not there. So if you think like 8 years back, it is 1946. That is the year actually this particular society it was formed. So those days it was not there. IEEE was not there. What it was called those days, it was AIEE, American Institute of Electrical Engineers. Electronics was not there because transistor, you know, it came afterwards. Okay. And those days in AIEE, they formed one subcommittee. That subcommittee is called actually large scale, it is just exactly LCD, large scale computing device. It is not liquid crystal display, okay. So LCD, that subcommittee which was formed, it was way back in 1946. So that is how that journey of 80 years, and you know what has happened. If I will come to my lifetime, like what I have seen, I remember this, we are celebrating 80 years, but I remember first time in Burla, I saw the computer in my life. That is way back in 1986. We used to peep through the doors of the lab because Z82 computers used to be there. That is the first time in life. Then when I was pursuing MTech, I remember how we used to share the computing time. Like I will get a slot to do my research work night 3 o'clock to 6 o'clock. So you have this coffee and all in the night and go in the lab because that is the slot is allotted to you, that kind of scenario. And now you have luxury, now it's in your hand. And you are talking of AI and further you are talking of quantum computing and all. So that is the 80 years of journey. So what I request is, because your chapter is, your student SBC, student branch chapter is from new, put all efforts to celebrate these 80 years of competing, okay, as a chapter. So this year 2026, and this message you propagate so that computer society, so that is another significant moment for me to share with you. That is second part. Then coming to the KIIT thing, whenever I visit KIIT, actually all our fraternity, Dr. Chinmaya, Dr. Ray, and everybody, fraternity, they are very active like this. Whatever IEEE ecosystem in KIIT, very good. And already Dr. Chinmaya has brought out that as a vice chair, has brought out the number actually. And as you know, I am advisor to the section. So a little bit about the section. So membership just last month, we crossed 1,000 membership at Bhubaneswar section. And coming to the KIIT, lot of achievements on IEEE. Like I remember KIIT, there is a meeting I was sharing with Dr. Chinmay and other. What kind of things? So section, if you talk of like out of 39 societies in the Bhubaneswar section itself, so far, we have established 24 society chapters at Bhubaneswar at student level and few are at basically professional level. But out of 24, if you see KIIT, you are having the maximum number of student branch chapters. That is what I remember, 16. That is the maximum number of student branch chapter. If you talk about any other institutes, you have the maximum number. Coming to the membership, already Dr. Chinmay has mentioned that is the highest number of student members, 261, some figure yesterday I was browsing. So out of some 700 students. So it's a great number. And coming to the professional side, also good number of this thing. Then coming to the conference, last year, 2025, we did some 16 international conference. Out of that, 6 conferences that happened in KIIT. So many achievements like that, and good number of volunteers that are associated with basically IEEE activities in the section level. So first coming to Dr. Chinmay Kumar Panigrahi, everybody know. He is our vice chair and many things like chair of this membership drive and other activities associated. Then Dr. Ranjita, she is not there here, but in electrical. Then coming to their electronic side, what I remember, 2 names came to mind. Dr. Sudhakar Sahu is very active in that, and he is chair of the joint microwave and antenna propagation chapter actually. So he's doing a wonderful job. And he's being assisted by Dr. Jyotiranjan Panda. I'm missing him today. And coming to the computer, of course, Dr. Niranjan Kumar, I'm seeing him quite some time and he's very active. And he's holding the chair of the consumer society chapter, professional chapter. And he's doing a wonderful job. And recent past, actually, since last year, Dr. Pradeep Malik and Dr. Amir Ranjan Panda, they are associated with the ECs of the computer society. And this year again, Dr. Sricheta, we have inducted her this year for 2026. She is also not there around. Yeah. So good number of volunteers. Then good backing by all these 3, like if you talk of electronic side, the computer side, and thanks to Dr. Vishwajit Sahu, then all the deans, Dr. HK Tripathi and Dr. Bhavani, yeah, all backings from this thing. A good thing has happened. And I remember like some of them I happened to meet today after doing inauguration in 22nd April 2025 in that old computer complex. We inaugurated our professional chapter. So that their journey started. I just basically remember that time some 3-4 basically student members from KIIT, whereas 2 student chapter already. First was BSC, that is the first SBC in CS, Computer Society, and second one taught Dr. Sakuntala is sitting here. So these 2 chapters were there that time. And now what has happened, 2025, the third came in XIM, Javier Institute of Management University, XM University. Then fourth, it was at SOA, and fifth, that is KIIT, and sixth has come already in Parlakhemundi campus, CUTM. That is the 6 chapters. So CS Computer Society, we have a professional this thing. Then there is a joint communication and computer professional chapter also at Chandipur. In addition to that, there are 6 SBCs. In none of the disciplines, they have that number of basically SBC student number chapters. So 6 SBCs and many more it will come certainly actually. And then coming to the membership wise, what I remember is when we inaugurated, the exact number was 46. It is including everything, professional as well as student. It was 46 numbers. So all the way this journey started, and now I remember that day like I just dreamed that it should touch 1,000, but we could not able to touch it by the end of 2025. However, we have, like as Amir mentioned, we have touched 161 as in today, 161. So almost good amount of growth. We have touched 15% our dream, but long way to go. So all of you has to propagate this message, and this year, that 80th year of Computer Society. So let us increase the membership further. And just to mention that CS chapter, they are having maximum number of members, because total student members are roughly 700 plus, and out of that 161, that is the kind of members. If you talk about students, it is 103. So 103 out of 700, and out of 1,000 it is roughly 161. So good number of members. And coming to the activities, you may be aware what we did, like we got the approval on 13th March 2025 and subsequently got inaugurated on 22nd. And then we have our website. I think this is one of the important chapter which is having their website. You can browse through and just search IEEE CS Professional Branch Chapter Bhubaneswar. You'll get this. And every week we have been conducting at least one virtual seminar just to engage students and connect with the students actually, exclusive to students and professionals. And that is happening every week. That is, so these are the in short about this thing. Then coming to this particular chapter formation, what a lot of contribution by KIIT basically. I thank KIIT management. They are always extending their hand and supporting all the activities. Like as Registrar mentioned, actually here itself we inaugurated our section. Here itself we inaugurated our professional chapter. And here itself again we are inaugurating the SBC student branch chapter. So it's a wonderful feeling. And coming to the computer particularly, like when I came into more actively, I started contributing in the Bhubaneswar section. I was, because mostly I was touched with the electrical department, Dr. Chinmay Pandagrai. And gradually what I saw is that Dr. Sudhakar took a lot of initiative and good number of members in electronics. Then third thing, computer, it was very less, as I was told, 2-3 members in the basically student side. So a lot of efforts by Dr. Biswaji, then HK Tripathi there, and Bhavani Shah, all 3 of them, and many others like Dr. Pradeep, Dr. Amia, of course, they are very active in this, and somehow professional member in Computer Society as well as student members, they have increased. So that is a good feeling that it is spread all over all these departments and all. So special thanks to all of them. And only some negative thing what I pointed during our last meeting, that B-Tools, you guys are not registering the events actually. You were conducting many events, but not that thing. So I heard this year, this is A part, B part, you are having some program, and I think Pratap has come, he will he will brief about that B-Tools and other things. And for your information, today night 9 o'clock, this India Council also B-Tools and OU analytics. They are taking some lecture tonight, 9 o'clock. So though that information I have sent to Amio, he will circulate. So whoever, any other thing is there that is a global level, you can attend that as well, actually. So lastly, I extend this congratulations to each office bearers. Today, like we took photograph, so starting from Dr. Amir Ranjan, then Saha Arnis, and Anirudh Patnaik, Astik Misra, Niharika Sen, Preeti Gupta, Pramod Kumar, Arpan Ganguly, Subhasri Patnaik. So may this chapter flourish and let it inspire generations of computer professionals and help others actually spread this thing. So thank you for giving this opportunity to address all of you. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for your encouraging word. We now move to our online session. It is our honor to welcome Sri Jayanta Kumar Panda, Managing Director, Atharv Cloud Private Limited, who will speak on AI-powered ecosystem for transforming technical education and industry synergy. Sir Janta Kumar Panda, are you available, sir? I guess he is not available. Let's move on to the next segment. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Wait. Yes.
We now invite
In the meanwhile, let's move on to the next segment. We now invite Mr. Rupesh Meher, an offensive security specialist. Okay, sir. It is our honor to welcome Sri Janta Kumar Panda, sir, Managing Director, Atharv Cloud Private Limited, to deliver his speech.
Hello, hi, good morning, and thank you for inviting me to this wonderful session. So, are you all ready to
Sir,
start or?
comments now.
Yeah. So, is all ready to start, or we need some more time to settle down? Okay, I think we can start.
So your voice isn't coming.
Is it okay now? Oh, somebody is calling. Hello. I have put myself audible. My not audible. Can you check at your end? Because my speaker is on. Just a minute, guys. I am rejoining. Guys, am I audible? Hello, am I audible?
So you're still not audible.
I think, can you check at your TV, like why it is not coming out? Coming? Hello? Guys, are you able to hear me?
Yes, sir. You are audible.
Okay, okay. Thank God. Thanks. Finally, I could speak. Okay, so guys, thank you for inviting me to this wonderful session. So my name is Jayant Kumar Panda. So overall, I worked in the industry for around 30 years. And then after spending significant amount of time in the industry, then I started my startup journey. So the name of the company which I have started, that is called Atharv Cloud. So primarily we are working in this company, we are working in cloud and cyber security. So anyway, that is my part of my startup journey. But today I will discuss something more about AI, because this is what I was asked to discuss about. So truly speaking, AI is one of my favorite topic, and as I used to speak almost to in every students forum, that currently our technology landscape is changing so fast that means that we have to adapt those technologies changing very rapidly. Because if you remember 10 years back, the way the technology was happening, means any new technology to adopt or new technology to take over, it was taking at least 5 to 10 years. So if you get passed out from an engineering college and start reading some topic into the engineering, then after that, definitely when you come out of your college, then definitely you will get a job in that particular technology, or that technology will keep on sustaining in the market for a good amount of time. But nowadays, due to this new technology evolutions are happening, so whatever technology is coming, it is getting very fast, it is getting adopted. Obsolescence is the secondary part, but technology adoption is happening very fast. For example, if you remember, AI is a topic which started, let's say, some 5-6 years back. Initially, it started a little bit, but anyway, at that time, it was not really well adopted. But now, from starting from 2023 onwards, the way the market is changing, this is changing very rapidly, and very significant amount of changes are happening, and people are adopting it in a very efficient manner. So what I want to bring to all the student fraternity over here is like, when you talk about AI, don't assume yourself like I am using or I am an user of AI. So right now, for example, if you see in many of your daily day-to-day life, either you are using ChatGPT or Cloud or Google Gemini. There are many such applications are there, which is anyway part of this AI journey. But all those are basically the applications which you are getting driven by. So my sincere request to all of you is that don't be an user. Try to become a content creator, or try to become a technology delivering factor owner. So when I say this, actually what happens, for example, I will take you a simple example, then from all of you students can correlate from there. In the 5-6 year back or 10 year, I used to write coding, or I used to do coding in C and C++ very heavily. So any sort of code has to be developed. I used to write code my own, or my own way I used to write. And I will take in compiler, and I will take one ANSI C compiler, and then I will start coding. But in the current scenario, how many of you have opened the ANSI C compiler since last 1 year or 2 years? If you need to do encoding, people will open the ChatGPT and they will put their questions, and you will get a code, and then you will copy paste it into your work area. This is a significant challenge or significant problem statement which you are creating for yourself, because you are becoming a I will say dependent on some other aspects. For example, right now, whatever code you are developing, or whatever code you want to develop, it is getting developed by ChatGPT or by some other applications. But my sincere request to you is, can you derive such a mechanism? Like, let's say, for example, this IEEE community students you have, you develop such an platform, like it will develop a secure code for you. Secure code means, right now you take a piece of code from ChatGPT. That code has been published to you, but simultaneously that code has been published to entire globe also. Means whatever code you have written, or you have taken into your project, or taken into your product, remain assured that code has been visible to all over the world. So whatever code you have written, it has 0.00% of means, you'll see, I will say, personalization factor. Means whatever your confidentiality of your code is gone. But this is a very significant problem. This is a very, very serious problem which you have created for yourself. So that's why I'm saying, if you are not able to address your statements at a very, very fundamental level, then you are landing into a very, very significant problem statement. For example, if I say, if our IEEE student members, or IEEE Bhubaneswar student members has created one, let's say, LLM model, and this model will be addressing only for the students who are either sitting inside KIIT, or students who are sitting inside Bhubaneswar, something like that, so that your code is not visible to the outside world. So what I mean to say is that you need not to be a AI user. You have to become a AI content creator. Like, there are many models that is called LLMs, SLMs. There are many SLMs, LLMs are applicable or available in the open market for various types of use. I have given you very, very simple use case. Like, you take one simple LLM model and start building on something on top of that, which will be useful only for your fraternity members, so that you can at least protect your codes, or you can at least protect your security level at your premises, so that your what do you say, confidentiality is protected. So that is my simple point which I want to bring here, and quickly I will show you another small PPT which I had. I used to show this almost to many members. I will show it here. Okay, so here actually what I want to tell you, we in this company, we have a product called Ayabat, So this product is again, it is a AI powered cyber security analysis. So we have created this AI model. I'm repeatedly saying, to detect cyber threatfulness in your code. So this is a model, or this is a product which has been developed completely mostly from Bhubaneswar. And here the content from outside world is minimal to zero. Minimal to zero when I am saying this is fully developed over here. And this AI content of this product is very heavy, means it is more than 70% AI content. And this product actually also received a national award for its unique solutions. So like this tool can be helpful to detect any cyber threat present in your code. This is very simple aspects. Means if you are developing any code, you will upload your code into this tool. Then this tool will tell you what are the cyber threats present in your code and how to solve it. Like for example, this will show you the cyber threatfulness in 3 different levels: low, medium, high. If your score is coming between 4 to 6.9, then your code has very high severity threat. Then if it is in high, means 7 to 10, this one is a high cyber threat is there present in the code. Then there are many other features in the product. There is actually called, this supports around 8 or 10 programming languages. So if you are writing any of these programs like C, C++, Java, Python, PHP, so if you are using any of these programming languages, you can upload your code to this tool, then it will tell you how to solve this cyber threats present in your code. I will show you a quick another view, like this is the how the platform looks like. If you will simply upload your code, so this will tell you how many findings you have, and this quick pie chart, this gives you how many high security threats you have, how many criticals, and how many low and how many medium threats are present in your code. Then it will step by step, it will also guide you how to solve the cyber threats in the tool by using this tool. So the good point of this is why I am trying to show this to you. This product is using AI, but the uniqueness of this product is this data, whatever you are trying to do, this will remain everything inside your premises. This is not using any of the public libraries. This is not using any of these APIs available in the open forum. So that is the uniqueness of the product. So it has been 100% crafted inside here. So you have to think the AI in such an event so that it remains in your premises, and the data, whatever you are trying to access or you are trying to get it done through this AI model, it remains protected. Otherwise, you will be creating a huge amount of problem for yourself. Down the line, if you will be keep on using this public AI tools significantly, then I will be not surprised one day if you Google about your own Aadhaar card or PAN card, everything will be available in the open forum. Don't be surprised, your bank details are also available in the open forum. So you have to be very restrictive, like what I need to do for using AI, and by using AI, what should I do and what should not I do. So this is a very, another point I have seen also. People used to do very frequently. I have seen people used to upload their health reports like blood test, ECG, this, that, all the reports has gone to the, this AI applications, open forum AIs. I will sincerely address, I will request you, don't do this. This is a significant risk which you are creating for yourself, because you are putting your weakness in the public forum. Because somebody knows that this guy has this problem. If somebody want to try to damage you, they will get a very honeypot, like how to address, how to manage this guy, because everything, all the test report, all the medical reports are there in the public forum. So we have to be very careful while using AI. And really, if you want to use AI, try to always become self-reliant, like what we can create among ourselves and how to effectively manage it in all the security aspects of it. So by saying this, I will drop here. if you want to test our tool, you can visit our website, and you can request for a tool, request for a evaluation license. It is available free of cost. You will get 30 days trial license. So our website is atharvcloud.com. I will just show you how to do that. Just put Atharv Cloud. So you will go here and you will see a tryout Ayavath. So you just click this link. Then it will ask you some details. It will not take any personal details. It will take only your name and email ID. That's all. Then submit request. Then it will show you like all sign-in windows will come, and this will show you like this way. This will how this tool will look like. And you can this is the student versions, you can use it, and this will open up your mind like how one simple line of code creates a havoc in the cyber world. So you will get a better experience. This is a really this will change your technical preview of many things which you are doing unknowingly. You are doing many mistakes which you will get it rectified. This is not a commercial. This will be cannot be treated as a commercial. This will be purely educational purpose. And for 30 days, we will not ask any single money. It is only, you can try and test as much as possible, whatever code you are using. So that's all from my side. So I am open for any questions. So if you have any questions, please go ahead.
Audience, if you guys have any question, please ask. Any volunteer?
Please give me mic.
So what will be the price of the subscription after 30 days of trial?
So price for students, we don't sell this. We sell it only for the organizations. So for the students, still it will be 30 days, but after 30 days, we will give you some enhanced version. Like initially in the trial period, it will have a like 5,000 lines and 5,000 lines of code you can scan, and 3 scans per day. But if some students need to do more extensive study, then we can give you with better code, means a larger code base and bigger scans per day. But for students, there is we will not sell it.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Any more questions? Thank you, sir, for your presence.
Thank you.
We now invite Mr. Rupesh Meher, an offensive security specialist and cyber security entrepreneur, to share his insight on recent trends in cyber security.
Good morning, everyone. I think all of you are a little bit low. And thanks for the introductions, Garv and his team. And thank you all the panel members and students present in this hall. And special thanks to Mr. Chinmay sir for inviting, and Shakuntala madam. It's a quick notice, but it's okay with me. And I will segregate into 2 parts. One is computer societies, and another is cyber security. The opportunities and like benefits of